What's up? Keith Rainville here, the lead guy. So here's what I do for a living. This is what I do. I farm lists like this, like you see on your screen. This here is a list of over 700 dentists in Tampa. So I farm these lists. I find the contact information, the email address, the address, the business phone number, and the contact, and also the social media profiles. Now I build these lists for my clients both online and out in the field. There's a lot of companies who need different business niches that they call on, and this is how they prospect to find more business using my list. Now, my lists go for anywhere from 10 cents to as high as 14 cents per email, okay? This is exactly how I make my living. I have clients out there that pay me over $1,500 for huge lists that they send out to get business into their organization, guys. Now, I've been doing this for quite some time, and I want to show you how to do this. This is something I've never done before. I've never showed anybody how to build these lists or clean these lists, and I want to show you guys how to do this today and see if you can benefit from these email lists. Let me ask you a question. If you got 10,000 emails and you're an internet marketer and selling your digital marketing services, you got a 10,000 list of dentists that you want to call on in that niche market. If you send those 10,000 emails out, requesting them to see if they need information on using your skills, do you think that you can get at least one or two of those paying clients that will pay you $1,500 to $2,000 a month of retainer? Guys, you absolutely can. These are some of my biggest clients, digital marketers out there looking for business niche email lists and contact lists, guys, that they use in their organization to find new business, okay? I want to teach you how to do this. And I'm going to teach you not only one way, but I teach you actually 4 ways in the training, okay? So this training is an introductory offer. It will go up in the next 3 days. This is not a sales cliche, but I'm offering it to everyone for a low price. I'm actually even offering it to my clients who right now, pay me $200 or $300 a list every single time, so they can get in on this course and save themselves a ton of money, guys. So get in on this training. It'll be the best hour you've ever spent. This is a business in itself that you can sell email lists every single day and make $2,000 or $3,000 a week and free up your time and spend more time with your family, guys. It took me 3 minutes to build this list of over 700 emails at 10 cents a piece. That's $70. So you don't have to work but an hour a day to build these lists and sell them to your potential clients, guys. Get in on the training. The link is above or below this video. Guys, I hope to see you inside the course. And if you have any questions, hit me up, direct message me. Thanks for watching. And thanks for listening to the video, guys. I hope to see you inside.